Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. What if I told you that the most painful, most feared thing in dentistry, the drill, could soon be obsolete? What if instead of getting a filling, your dentist simply painted a gel on your tooth and your enamel grew back on its own? Sound like science fiction? It is not. It happened in a lab, published in a respected scientific journal in November 2025. And right now, in 2026, clinical trials have begun. This video might be the most important dental news you have heard in your life. Stay with me till the end. I am going to break down what this gel is, how it works, and what the science really says. First, let's talk about enamel. If you do not understand why losing it is a crisis, you would not appreciate how big this is. Enamel is the outermost layer of your teeth. It is the hardest substance your body produces, even harder than bone. It protects your teeth from acids in your food, from bacteria, from temperature, and from pressure every time you bite down. Now here is the problem. Enamel does not naturally regenerate. Once you lose it, it is gone forever. Every sip of soda, every bit of sugar, that enamel is slowly wearing away. Your body has no mechanism to rebuild it. Enamel damage plays a major role in tooth decay, affecting nearly half of the global population. This leads to infections and cavities, and what has dentistry offered as a solution? Fluoride, fillings, crowns, and root canals. All of these just patch the holes. None of them actually rebuild what was lost. Until now. In 2025, researchers from the University of Nottingham published a landmark study. They developed a bio-inspired protein gel. This gel works by mimicking key features of the natural proteins that guide the growth of dental enamel in infancy. When you were a baby, your body produced special proteins to build enamel from scratch. As an adult, that process switches off. This gel essentially switches it back on. It acts as a scaffold, drawing calcium from saliva to rebuild the enamel. Your own saliva becomes the building material. The gel is the blueprint. Your tooth starts growing enamel again. Under electron microscopy, the results are stunning. What starts as a pitted surface becomes a layered crystal growth. This is not a coating. This is not a sealant. This is your tooth rebuilding itself. Researchers tested these tissues under real-life conditions, like brushing and chewing. The regenerated enamel behaves just like the real thing. Beyond decay, the gel can be applied to exposed dentine to provide relief for tooth hypersensitivity. However, there are limitations. The regenerated layer is around 10 micrometers thick, while natural enamel is much thicker. So right now, this is for early damage. If you have a large hole today, you still need traditional treatment. Clinical trials are scheduled to begin in 2026. A startup called Mintech Bio was founded to commercialize the technology. The goal is for this to be routine and affordable. That matters for the billions who have no access to dental care. For generations, drill and fill has been the foundation. This gel breaks that entire cycle. If you found this video valuable, please share it. Subscribe to Dental Miracle for the latest breakthroughs. Until next time, protect that smile. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.